issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wareham, or near Marion, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Barnstable, Falmouth,